I am considering an object over here. So that object is traveled to a distances. So total distance traveled by the object. Total distance traveled by the object is Sn. That means it is taking the distance traveled by the object in n seconds. I am writing. That means t is equals to n over here. Right? Next, if before this up to here the time taken is n minus 1, 1 second less I am taking. So the distance traveled up to there is n minus 1. Okay. No. So up to here I am taking. Up to here it is n minus 1 seconds. Up to n minus 1 seconds also I am writing displacement. Okay. Now if I take from total, if I subtract this Sn minus 1, I will be getting distance traveled in this nth second. That is what we have to get. So displacement or distance, if I write an expression, what we have, ut plus half a t square is our expression for displacement traveled by an object. Okay, when it is a straight line we can consider the displacement as a and the distance as the same. Okay, now what we are doing, distance traveled in n seconds can be written as u into time t is became n, un plus half a n square. Sorry, half a n square, right? Okay. So here distance traveled by an object we are writing for t seconds, and distance traveled by an object in n seconds we have written. Next, distance traveled by an object n minus 1 seconds if I write u into n minus 1 plus half a into n minus 1 whole square I am writing. Okay, so up to here only it is. The first one is up to here. Okay, so I want the distance traveled in the last second. Okay, that is nth second. So for that I am going with it. So distance traveled by an object in nth second can be written as Sn minus 1 we can write. So that if I do, so Sn is what, un plus half a n square minus u into n minus 1. This minus I am multiplying, better I'll write as it is, u into n minus 1 plus half a into n minus 1 whole square I got, right? Now, so now, so in this if I simplify it, so un plus half a n square minus u into n, and this minus will be multiplied, it will become plus u. Next, minus, this minus will be multiplied here, minus half a into this I am expanding n square minus 2n plus 1 I will be getting. Now if I simplify this, this un will be cancelled out, right? Next, so what we are getting, half a n square plus u minus half a n square minus into minus plus half a into 2n. 2 will cancelled out and a into n we will get, minus half a we will be getting. Okay, this plus half a n square and minus half a n square will cancel out. So the left out one is u plus a, if I take out common, n minus half we are getting. Okay, so this is what the distance traveled or the displacement traveled in nth second. Okay, that will represent it as Sn. So here also one small clarity you have to get here, that this is what distance or displacement traveled by an object in n seconds. Okay, this is better I'll write here, displacement traveled, displacement traveled in n seconds. Next, here displacement traveled in n minus 1 seconds, right? And here it is, this is a, this represents displacement traveled or distance traveled by an object. Displacement, so what do we get here? the displacement travel, in nth second it is. Okay, so that this clarity we should have. So there it is n second, here it is nth second. I mentioned over here, right? So this is a useful in case of a problematic pattern.